Okay. It's the same process, right? First Creole, try to understand, and then we'll try to translate it in English, right? Now look at your screen. What does it say? Question sous texte. Question sous texte. Question sous texte. Sa pays tropical vle di. Sa pays tropical vle di. Combien saison qui gagne dans pays Haïti? Combien saison qui gagne dans pays Haïti? Qui jan climat les printemps? Qui jan climat les printemps? Qui jan climat les été? Qui jan climat les été? Qui jan climat les automne? Qui jan climat les automne? Qui jan climat les hiver? Qui jan climat les hiver? Okay, now, this is homework for you. You're going to go back to the text and answer those questions, all right? I'm not going to do that with you. I'm counting on you. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you don't do your homeworks, it's not going to be very good, all right? So now you're going to go back to the text and answer those questions. Go back to the text and answer those questions. Now, here we go. Okay, question 1. Sa pays tropical vle di? Sa pays tropical vle di? I could also say, qui sa pays tropical vle di? Qui sa pays tropical vle di? I could also say that. All right, sa pays tropical vle di. What does tropical country mean? What does tropical country mean? 2. Combien saisons qui gagne dans pays Haïti? How many seasons are there in Haiti? How many seasons are there in Haiti? You go back to the text to answer those. Qui jan climat le printemps? Qui jan climat le printemps? How is the climate in spring? 4. Qui jan climat le été? How is the climate in summer? How is the climate in summer? 5. Qui jan climat le automne? Qui jan climat le automne? How is the climate in autumn or fall? How is the climate in fall? How is the climate in fall? Qui jan climat le hiver? Qui jan climat le hiver? How is the climate in winter? So that is it. You go back and make sure you do your homework. We'll come back in lesson 15, which is the last lesson for this session. That will be it. So thank you very much. See you in lesson 15. Peace.